Melissa Westcott, Campus Director here at the Moncton campus at Eastern College. Join us in conversation on how we can help you become job ready.
I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and it's an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with people here at Eastern College in beautiful Moncton, New Brunswick. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
I'm Jasmine Cormier. I'm at Eastern College for massage therapy program, registered massage therapy program. It always has been my interest of helping people with healthcare of that, and I'm pretty happy of being here with that.
How far into the program are you now?
I am currently done. This is one of my last week at school. I've done my 2 years consecutive, so I'm a graduate this year with that.
So you only have how much more time?
Only 1 week left. Our last day is next Friday.
Okay, so this is an exciting time.
Yes, it is.
So 2 years in the program, so you're really well situated to talk about the program.
Yes.
Talk to me about the program itself. How was it for you?
At the beginning, it was quite nerve-wracking with that. I'm a medical esthetician as well, so going full-time to part-time, I was getting nervous with that. Mm-hmm. But I had a pretty good feeling with that. With RMT and medical aesthetic goes well together. When I first started, I did not know anyone. As you can see, I'm French as well, so at English school, I was very nervous to speak in English and all that, but I had very good classmates that made me feel comfortable here, good teachers with that. Any question that I would ask or didn't fully understand in English, they would try to find a way of saying it to me in a different way that I understand more, and I really like the program, how it's making you feel like family here. Yeah.
I'm going to come back to family, teachers, and classmates in a second, because I want to talk about all of those things. Tell me about the style of learning at Eastern College. Did it work well for you?
It did. So the style we do sometimes with massage therapy is a lot with working with hands. So we would go over the theory first, and then after we go over the theory, if we didn't fully understand, we would go over and go straight having a model on the table and show us everything with that. So it's a lot of hands-on and theory as well, but the theory also incorporate a lot with hands-on with that.
And do you go into the field and apply your skills at any point during it?
Oh, for sure, yes. So we do have clinic days that helps us practice with some clients with our techniques that we just learned. And if we don't feel comfortable with techniques or theory that we've learned, we can go and ask our teacher or our clinic supervisor with that and feel more comfortable once we're in the real world with that.
Okay, now let's talk about these teachers.
Yes.
So talk to me about the importance of them having experience in the field and passing that on to you.
A lot of my teacher, my last teacher that I just had, it was a lot of experience of himself. He had clientele and everything, so it's not just a teacher that did not have client before. He had clients, so if I didn't understand a condition or anything, he would say a life experience of what happened to him, and it made me open my eyes more of what could look outside in the real world. Like it's not going to be perfect to the book and everything inside class. So I really loved him sharing his outside experience with clients.
That real world experience.
Yes. Yeah.
Classmates, talk to me about that. 2 years, you spent 2 years with a group of people. Talk to me about the importance of those people.
Classmates, they're my family now. They're my family. I feel a little emotional right now because of that. At first, I did not felt welcome like that, but everyone is with 2 years consecutive with no breaks and at all. Like you get pretty close with everyone with that. So they're just amazing. Like if I wouldn't have them beside my back, I have like a lot of anxiety, all that during exams and stuff, and they're my people to calm me down. They're always like, you got this and everything. They're amazing. I couldn't ask for a better class. I'm grateful of getting the class that I had during the 2 years.
Jasmine, there are 3 or 4 times in this short conversation that you and I have just had, you say the word family.
Yes.
You keep saying family.
family.
That's
It's
a powerful word
yes,
to talk about your academic institution. Talk to me about why you're using that word.
I'm using that word because they have more feelings of just friends or just school people. Like if I had something happen in my life that wasn't very great or it made me upset, they would go above and beyond to make sure that I'm feeling okay to still attend school. And even if I would be sick, they would call me and be like, how are you and everything, how are you feeling? Like they're like caring and everything, like family should do with you, feeling all together and everything.
Jasmine, what would you tell anybody that would be considering this program?
Concerning this program, if you like healthcare and helping people, that's your thing. Yeah. A lot of hands-on if you want to feel more confident of yourself too. I did not have a lot of confidence into my self-esteem, but this past 2 years I grown into a better woman and better self, which what I've experienced with other people. Yeah.
Très bien. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you for joining us today. Reach out at easterncollege.ca to learn more about how we can help you ring this bell.